Hello, dynamic stars. Coming to you live from Coney Island, deep in Brooklyn, by the waterside. Just gorgeous, isn't it? My daughter and I are here. Why? I don't know. We're crazy. We love the ocean no matter what. My daughter was just saying she was digging for treasure. And I just thought, that's great. At the ocean, digging for treasure. And what if we dig for treasure in other places, deep within ourselves, within the jobs that we currently have, within the relationships that we have, within that organization that we're a part of, that we're not 100% sure of what's happening, what's going on? What if we dig for treasure in each and every area of our life? What if before we kick it to the side, kick it to the curb, or just kick it, we look and find what is possible? Maybe look at it with fresh eyes, different eyes, come at it from a stranger's point of view to see what may be still there. Maybe talk to a trusted friend, or better yet, a complete stranger, someone you meet, on the train, on the bus, in the coffee shop, in the library, and just ping them, give them a hypothetical, and see what a complete stranger says. Simply because there are times when we can't even see straight because we're right in the middle of it. Our vision, our thoughts are mired in our own thoughts, in our own way of viewing things. Sometimes a fresh perspective is exactly what is needed in that moment. So, digging for treasure, what does that mean in your situation where you are in that particular part of your life? Dig for treasure some more. Maybe get a reading. Maybe sit down and ask your intuition. Maybe use your pencil. We have our own magic deep within us. So use those tools. Use something that you don't normally do, don't normally use, to find the treasure. Because if you're stuck in whatever it is, sometimes the best way to get out of it is to look at it from a different perspective. Alrighty, dynamic stars. A quick short one, simply because it's cold. And I want to get out of the cold, but just wanted to share some of this beautifulness with you. Here's another look. Let's go over to the water. Woo! Yes. Hope you enjoyed the seagulls and their song. Look, there they are. I don't know if I can catch them on screen for you. They were just flying a moment ago. But enjoy the rest of your day. And remember to dig deep for the treasures in every part of your life. It is that time of year for us to receive gifts. Now let's look for our own. Have a great day. May God always bless you. May you have peace. And may you bring joy to yourself as well as those you love. Namaste.